Dear students, let us continue with one more problem on final accounts of non-trading concerns. This is video number 14. The receipts and payments accounts are given, followed by that some adjustments are given. Let us go ahead with the adjustments first, and simultaneously we'll discuss the related items of receipts and payments account. See, there were 50 members, each paying subscription of 250 per share per member. That comes to 12,500, whereas what is received is just 10,000. And here they have mentioned subscription outstanding on 31st December 2015 were 3,000. So for last year, still 3,000 were receivable, and that has been received this year. See, for 2015, during the year 2016, you have received 2,500. That means full 3,000 you have not received. Still 500 is to be received. Therefore, this 500 to be received even during 2016, that will come to the closing balance sheet. Whereas 3,000 will come to the opening balance sheet. Here capital fund is not given, so there is a need for preparing opening balance sheet. So 3,000 will come to the asset side of the opening balance sheet. And in the closing balance sheet, out of 3,000, 2,500 only received, so still 500 to be received, this will come to the closing balance sheet. And as far as the current year is concerned, see, 12,500 is receivable, only 10,000 is received. That means 2,500 is still to be received. And you have received 2,000 for 2017. That means you have received during the current year next year's income. That means it is as good as taking loan. It's a liability that will come to the closing balance sheet. Yes. Then salaries outstanding on 31st December 1,000. So 12,000 add 1,000. So that will be 13,000. Then salaries paid included 1,000 for the year 2015. That means what you have paid 12,000, that includes 1,000 relating to last year. So from 12,000 deduct 1,000 and add 1,000, ultimately balance remaining the same. So outstanding at the beginning, that is last year's outstanding, that will come to the opening balance sheet, and this will come to the closing balance sheet, both the cases liability side. And these are opening balances: land and building, furniture, books, etc. If there are additions, see, there is addition of furniture, addition of books. So when there is addition, that should be added. And if there is sale, for example, a sale of old furniture, book value furniture should be deducted. So that has to be done. Look at the receipt side here. Balance brought down. This will come to the opening balance sheet. This is nothing but cash in bank. Cash in hand. Subscription for 2015 already you learned, 2,500 received, whereas outstanding was 3,000. Still 500 receivable relating to last year during the current year. So this will come to the closing balance sheet. Here 12,500 receivable, whereas you have received 10,000, 2,500 still receivable. Add to the subscription in the income and expenditure account, and in the balance sheet it's in a set. This is subscription received in advance relating to next year. You have not earned it, whereas you have received it, so it's a liability in the closing balance sheet. The sale of old furniture, so what you have received 600, it is not that will not come to the income and expenditure account. Whereas the loss on sale of furniture, this will come to the debit side of income and expenditure account. Rent from use of hall, it's an income. Profit from entertainment, it's an income. Sale of newspaper, it's an income. All this will be credited to income and expenditure account. Salaries with the adjustment to be debited to income and expenditure account. General expenses should be debited. Electric charges should be debited. Books is a capital item, so it will come to the balance sheet as an addition to opening balance. Newspaper, revenue expenditure. Postage, revenue expenditure. Furniture, capital expenditure will come to the balance sheet as an addition to furniture. And from the opening, to the opening balance, you have to add this, and then book value furniture sold should be deducted. Then balance carried down is nothing but closing balance of cash. This will come to the closing balance sheet. So I have explained everything. Now come to the opening balance sheet. Capital fund is not given. You need to find out. Therefore, you need to prepare opening balance sheet. Cash at the beginning, already I told you. See here, you got 2,500 here. That should be taken. Outstanding subscription, look at the value here. So this should be taken. Then books, opening balance is given here, 5,000. Then furniture, 6,000. And followed by that, land and building, so 1 lakh. So together 1 lakh 16,500. But there is a liability, outstanding salary to the tune of 1,000. So capital fund 1 lakh 15,500. Look at the income and expenditure account. Subscription 10,000 received, whereas you should have received 12,500 at the rate of 250 per member for 50 members. So the difference is nothing but outstanding. Outstanding subscription 2,500. Rent from hall, yes. Profit on from entertainment, sale of newspaper, yes. Salaries, of that 1,000 is relating to last year, 1,000 outstanding for the current year. General expenses, electricity charges, newspapers, postage. Okay, then loss on sale of furniture. This is the book value, cost value minus amount realized. So loss on sale of furniture. So this is the surplus or excess of income or expenditure 3,000. This will be added to capital fund, the closing balance sheet. Look at the closing balance sheet. Closing cash in hand. This will come here. Outstanding subscription 2,500. The current year, and relating to last year 3,000 was outstanding, only 2,500 you have received, still 500 received. The total subscription to be received is 3,000 to be received, still 2,000 relating to current year, 500 relating to last year. Books opening balance 5,000, purchases or additions to the 1,000, 6,000, furniture 6,000, additions 2,500, and cost value or book value of furniture sold 1,000. Here you have to remember, it is not the amount realized on sale of furniture which is to be taken, it is the book value or cost value you have to take. Then land and buildings 1 lakh, there is no addition. Then outstanding salary 1,000. Subscription received in advance, you have understood already. Look at the receipts and payment account here 2017. So you have received 2,000 in advance. So that should be shown here. Then capital fund 1,15,500. This is the balancing figure here. You see 1,15,500. And surplus during the year, excess of income or expenditure or surplus 3,000. So 1,18,500 is the balance of capital fund. If you total both the sides, you will get 1,21,500. So thank you very much.